Alright, welcome back YouTube. We're back at it again with another video. Today we're gonna talk about these simple habits make you really strong, increases your strength by me, Jimaholic. Today we will talk about sleep, water, foods, vitamins and supplements. And yeah, as you can see, it's just the basic stuff. That's all you need. You don't need any fucking testosterone boosters or shit like that, because trust me, you don't need it. It is overpriced, and it's just the basic supplements in there and the basic vitamins. Alright, for sleep, you need to get at least 8 hours of sleep, alright? Which means a lot of people just get at most 8 hours of sleep. That's just wrong. You need to get at least 8 hours of sleep, preferably 10 hours of sleep. Sleep every day at the same time. Don't sleep one time at 1 a.m, the next time at fucking 4 a.m, Wake up every day at the same time. So basically just track your timer when you go to sleep, and don't drink any caffeine 7 to 10 hours before bed. I know a lot of you motherfuckers are using pre-workout about 3 hours before you go to sleep because you want to go to the gym at like 9 or 10 p.m. But that's just a detriment for you, It just fucks up your sleep, it fucks up your muscle regeneration, and yeah. Next up is water. Drink at least 3 to 4 liters of water every day. You might need to pee more often, that's normal, trust me. Go to pee like 10 times a day. If you want to change it up, drink sparkling water. Do not drink soda. Even if it has no sugar, it's still not that good for you, And yeah, man, just keep it basic. Drink water, and yeah, that's it. Some foods you need, if you want to get stronger, you need a caloric surplus, which means you need 300 to 500 grams over your maintenance. If you don't know how much you need or what your maintenance is, write me a comment with your height, your weight, your height, your age, and your activity level. I will calculate it and tell you how much you need. Don't worry, guys, man. Writing all that information is not really bad. We don't judge here. People who judge are just assholes. They can fuck right off my channel. And yeah, it's also on private, like nobody knows who you are probably on your channel. So yeah, now let's go for vitamins. Vitamins to consider is vitamin D, made a video of that. Zinc, made a video of that. Magnesium, made a video of that. Vitamin B complex, which means vitamin B12, B6 and all that other stuff. So basically just all the B vitamins. I need to make a video of that. And yeah, just some others that you can take if you're deficient in it. How to know if you're deficient in it? Take a blood test and look at the things that it says. Also maybe ask your doctor and all that good stuff. Alright, supplementation. Supplements to consider. I only wrote 2 because that's all you need. Most likely, like I said, keep it basic. Take your creatine and take your whey protein. That's not a must. The only thing I would consider really taking is creatine. You get the rest of your food, enough protein. You get enough protein from your food, but creatine, getting it from food isn't that it's not that easy. And yeah, man, that's it. Like and subscribe, it helps me out. Comment questions on what other videos you want me to do, all that good stuff. And if you enjoyed, comment, read the comments. And yeah, man, that's me, man. Goodbye.